the gas the chemical reacts to gas. So you can see the gas coming out already. It's just sitting here. See that? It's purging already. And the fluid turns green when you're running combustion gas through it. But you can see the gas coming through. And you know that's not coolant because the line level is staying the same. You know, if it was coolant, it would be rising up like earlier when the coolant pushes through. So you suck the coolant all the way down so no more coolant comes through. This is gas. See, it's purging now. You see it? And this happens when it's warm. And you can see it's changing color. When you run combustion gas through this thing, it changes a different color. And you can see how green it is. It'll get to the point where it's like yellow-green. And usually they want you to squeeze the bulb, but when it's this bad, you don't even have to squeeze the bulb. It just purges by itself. And when it purges enough, and it fills your reservoir leaks out. Eventually, it purges all the coolant out, and the car can't cool, and it gets really extreme. And then it just, you know, you end up with a warped head with other issues. But this is a perfect indicator of a blown head gasket.
Turning color.
Yeah, you can see how much brighter it's getting now.
Yeah.
And see all that bubbling? Mm-hmm. That's combustion gas. And I use my gas analyzer. It will pick that up as hydrocarbons. It'll show it on the gas analyzer. You can take it to any smoke shop. They just wave their wand over it, and it'll show hydrocarbons, just like the stuff coming out of the tailpipe. There's no denying that. You show that to 20 mechanics, they'll tell you it's a blown head gasket. So this is how you verify that there's no coolant in here. Usually if there's coolant in here, it's going to be the color of the coolant. But the way you verify it is you suck fresh air through it, right? As you suck fresh air through it, it purges the exhaust gas out. And it starts changing back to its original color. It'll go back to being that nice blue again.
Interesting.
If you have coolant in it though, it doesn't go back to blue because the coolant's green. You know, it'll be kind of a tinge of green. Mm-hmm. That's how you know it's contaminated. But this fluid, you see that? It's all nice and blue again.
Yeah.
Like you can see HC counter already picking up.
So when it picked up, what did it say?
Look at the counter. It'll go up high. It's
going higher.
Yeah. So it'll keep going up. HC is hydrocarbons. It's going to keep rising. Oh, it's boiling over, Turn it off.